Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of all that powder that accumulates when we have cold cereal. And if you're like me, you use it and use it and use it, and when you get to the bottom, a lot of it is really powdery, and it's hard to keep that out of your bowl. I know some people love it, but most do not. Here's a super simple way to solve the problem. Now first, remember, I've told you don't store your cereal in its box. Put it in a resealable, it'll stay fresher, and if you can open it, and you don't have that problem of pouring your cereal and then going back and some of it slides down between the bag and the box, and put it in a plastic container. But look how cinchy it is. If I want to get rid of the powdery stuff that accumulates, just pour it in a colander and just shift it around and sift it like this. Look at all the little tiny pieces that come out. You want to be rid of those, right? So now you can use this cereal, which didn't go through the little holes, and you can pour yourself a wonderful bowl of cereal. Try not to make as big a mess as I did, but you can see how simple it is to just put your cereal through a colander. I'm Joni Hilton. Hey, scroll through. There are literally hundreds of these on this channel, and check out my website, jonihilton.com. See you later.